Hi, my name is Cameron, and my presentation is on effects on low self-esteem in boys. I apologize that my camera isn't on. My front camera isn't working. I apologize. I am not really used to presenting, so I am a little nervous. So, here we go. Boys will make bad choices that will make them feel like failures, for real, for real. Low self-esteem boys make, I'm gonna say this better. Like, low self-esteem makes boys become withdrawn, not fitting in, and having learning problems, and behavioral issues, and suicide thoughts, and vulnerable to bullying. They will try to fit in with cults and extremist groups like the Nazi neos, drug addictions, and alcohol abuse and crime activity. They will they'll become men with how can I say? I can make it. They will become men with feelings of not really being really good enough. You know what I mean? Like, these men will have anger problems and towards people who are different. You know what I mean? Normally it tends towards to women a lot more often. Studies so. Let me go to my next slide. Regional effects: increased drug use, bullying, suicide, violence, school shootings, and just rudeness, for real, for real. And natural effects: high dropout rate, high crime rate, murders, and mass shootings. Oh, I'm sorry, is that weird? Come on. Okay, I guess not. Global effects toward terrorism, war, and human sex trafficking. Problems of the world stem from low self-esteem in boys, for referral, who become police officers and judges and politicians and lawmakers and business owners. And these men have made women, minorities, feel like they were made to feel like young boys, for real. I'll be honest. We can hopefully turn this around by listening to boys and letting them be themselves, allowing them to cry and feel their feelings, for real. Because it is me growing up, I understand. Do not talk down on their names and call them names and stuff like that. Encourage them and let them live their dreams.